Alright guys, what's up? So today I am working on my Volkswagen GTI and I need to replace headlight bulb. And let me around here. I got out my tools and I started unbolting stuff. I unbolted this guy. I unbolted the bolt down there. The bolt over here. I had to take the grill off because I'm like, alright, there's no way I can get in there to unplug wires and all that stuff. And the headlight still does not want to come out, so it's still, so there must be a hidden bolt, I don't know, up through the fender well or something. So I investigated a little more and I found that you can actually reach in there and you just give that guy a twist. So I already put this new bulb in, and there's the old bulb, so it's pretty easy. You just this is in here like this, down in that hole, and you give it a clockwise turn, counterclockwise, and then it's going to go in and just pop back in. So it uses these little tabs right there and locks in, and the bulb keys in on that little guy there between those two plastic things. Make sure you don't touch the bulb. I used to just hold it with a rag or your t-shirt or something. Don't get any grease on the bulb. And now when I go back in, let's see how I fish this guy in here. There's no wires or anything to deal with. I just have to be able to get this thing turned in the right direction in this hole. Boy, now I got schmutz all over it. So let me wipe that off really good. It is a tight fit down in there. I'm gonna feel down in there. Yeah, so the hole, it is pretty much, it's not quite centered in the circle this cover goes on. It's about right here. So let me try that again. I believe it goes like this and it comes out like that. So I'm gonna go in again, try to rotate it here. Boy, there is just, they just don't give you any room. Alright, I think I got it in the hole. Alright, yep. Oh. Alright, I think that's it. Maybe turn it a little bit more. I did you hear it go snap? I'm gonna undo it. Okay, there's the undo. It's in tight, it's in square. Alright, boom, that's it. I think that's it. So I'm gonna go turn it on just to double check. And boom! Oh, it's nice and white too. Still looks kind of yellow in the camera here, but it's pretty white. Let's see this one. This one's kind of yellow. So it's a little, those daytime running lights are really white or yellow versus that one, and then the fogs are super white, so I don't know why they make them all different colors, but that's pretty cool. Kind of got that bluish tint. Alright, let me shut that off. I'll do the other one. Really need to detail my car. Alright, so I'll finish this up here. So just put this little Schwingenfelter cap back on here. Don't forget that. Alright, that's on. So it can be done without tools. Here I thought I was going to need all these tools. Now I got to put all this crap back together. So let's go ahead and do this side. So just pop off the cap. I bought two because I didn't want to just do one. You heard it snap there. Alright, now comes the bulb. So I'm just going to pop this bulb out. Just comes straight out. gonna grab the other one. I'm just gonna line it up. That's it. Just pops in there, just line it up on those right there. There are some little wires. See those little wires right there? Make sure those little wires are out of the way. Alright, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna make a turn here. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. It's a little tough getting in here. Alright, there we go. You gotta kind of make the turn in there, and then once you make the turn, you can kind of line it up. Alright, so you kind of just gotta twist it, and then right there, boom, hear that? So that just locked it in. There it is. Alright, put the cap back on. And that's it. So I was sitting here kind of bitching at Volkswagen that I needed some sort of rocket science degree to put these in. And it was actually pretty easy, guys. So you just saw there about 2 minutes you can pop one in, and I imagine the other ones are even easier because there's more room. So you don't need any of these tools that I got out, and I'll save that one as a spare, I guess. Alright guys, hope this helped. Peace out.